Good morning. I am Santosh. Now I am going to revise again the first lesson, crop production and management. So some points are given here. You can see in this table. First one, you can see here crop, fertilizer, irrigation, plug, manures, showing. Means like this, you can see some points here. So now we are going to discuss in the short what is a crop. Crop means produce of cultivated plants. What is fertilizer? Fertilizer means inorganic chemical substances that are enriching the soil with nutrients. Irrigation. Irrigation means timely watering to the plants. Timely watering to the plants. Now plug. What is plug? Plug means an implement used for turning of the soil. An implement used for turning of the soil. Manure. Manure means decomposed matter. Decomposed matter. Manure is rich in the organic nutrient. Later I will tell you about what is manure and what is fertilizer. And now next is the silo or granary, means this is the storage house. Storage house. What is a silo? So these points are very important. So if you are keeping in mind, then easily you can write the answer. Silo or granary. Sowing means putting seeds in soil. Putting seeds in soil. What is the threshing? Threshing means removal of grains from the harvested crops. Removal of grains from the harvested crops. What is a weed? Weed means it is a type of unwanted plants which grow in the crop plants. Winnowing means to separate it is the process to separate the chaff from the grains using air either by hand also. Harvesting means cutting of fully prepared crops. Do you know what is harvesting? Harvesting means cutting of a fully prepared crops. Now you can see crops in the field. Again. And now storage. Storage means safe packaging and keeping of the dried food in the warehouse. Moisture means what? Water content in the food grains. Water content in the food grains. Water, moisture. Pesticide means it is a type of chemical substance used for killing the harmful pest from the crops. When insect eat the crops, then we use these type of the chemical substances to kill the insects. Weedicides. What is weedicides? Weedicides means chemical substances used for destroying unwanted plants grow in the crops. So weed, I told you, weed means it is a type of unwanted plants which grow in the crop plants. So weedicide is a type of the chemical substances used for destroying unwanted plants. Now we are going to see here some more points, and that is important for your exam, and you see it because these points are very important. Now you can see, as you know, that all the living organisms need food, because without food they cannot survive. So in order to provide food to large number of the population, we need the production of crops, proper management of the crops, and distribution of the food. When do you know what is a crop? If anyone is asking what is a crop, then how do you tell them? How do you tell them what is a crop? Crop means when the plants of the same kinds are grown and cultivated at a same place, at a one place or same place on a large scale, it is called a crop. So when plants of the same kind, keep in mind, plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called crop. Like rice and wheat, you can see it is grown in the large scale and at one place. On seasonal basis, we can classify the crops into two groups. First is Kharif and second is Rabi. Kharif and Rabi, you can see, there are two types of the crops. Kharif, Kharif season crops, Kharif season crops are summer season crops. Keep in mind, Kharif. If anyone asking you Kharif crops, then easily you can think it is summer season crops. And if anyone is asking what is Rabi crops, Rabi season crops, then you can see it is a winter season crops. Okay, so Kharif season crops are in sowing is done in the month of June to July. Sowing of the seeds is done in the month of June to July, and the crops are harvested during the month of September or October. So I will tell you the example. Example means rice, maize, groundnuts, jowar, pulses and cottons. These all are Kharif plants because these crops seeds are sowing in the month of June and July. So sowing of the seeds is done in the month of June and July, and crops are harvested during the month of September and October. Example, Kharif season crops, example rice, maize, groundnuts, jowar, pulses and cotton. Rabi season crops are winter season crops. Sowing of the seed is done in the month of October and November. After harvesting of the Kharif crop, this process is started. Okay, so sowing is done in October and November, and the crops are harvested during the month of March or April. So if anyone asking what is the example of the Rabi crops, then you have to say wheat, barley, gram, potato and mustard. And now you can see the steps of the agriculture practice. So first step is the preparation of the soil. So what procedure should we follow? So you can see how many steps are there. First one is the preparation of soil. So before sowing the seed, we need to prepare the soil. It is used to loosening and turning of the soil to provide the aeration to the soil and help in the penetration of the roots deep into the soil. So that's why this process is necessary. We need to loose and turning of soil. So it is in this process it is used to loosening and turning of the soils to provide aeration to the soil and help in the penetration of roots deep into the soil. And second one is sowing. After that, second step is sowing seed. So before sowing, we should make sure whether the seeds are of good quality. So good quality of the seeds are required. Seeds should be placed at proper distance to avoid overcrowding of the plants. So while sowing the seeds, we need to keep in the mind. Okay, so we should sow the seeds at proper distances because of overcrowding of the plants. And now manure. What is manure and fertilizers? Manure is an inorganic substances, while fertilizers are inorganic salts prepared in the factories. Manure is an organic substance, while fertilizers are inorganic salts. It is prepared in factories, and these substances are added in the soil to provide the nutrients for the healthy growth of crop plants. That's why manure and fertilizers are added in the soil to provide the nutrients for the healthy growth of crop plants. Irrigation. Now next point is irrigation. You can see irrigation. Irrigation, I have already told you, watering to the plants. The supply of the water to the plants at a different interval. At a different interval, the supply of the water to the plants at a different interval is called irrigation, and it can be done by the sprinkler system or drip system. A sprinkler system and drip system to add the wastage of the water. That's why nowadays these two methods are being used because to avoid the wastage of the water. Now protection, protection from weeds. Protection from weeds. I have already told you what is weed. It is a type of unwanted plants which grow in the crops. The undesirable plants in the crops are called weeds. It can be removed manually by using khurpi, you know khurpi, or by using some chemicals. That is called weedicides. So the name of that weedicides is 2,4-dender-metaculor. Now next point is the protection from seeds. So these are the steps we should follow. Okay, and now we have, if the pests are present on the crops, then how would we kill them? So the organisms which damage or harm the crops are called pest. Do you know what is pest? The organisms which damage or harm the crops are called pest. The common pests are insects, rats, mites, birds, and disease causing organisms like bacteria, fungi, and viruses. As you know that bacteria, fungi, and viruses are microorganisms. We cannot see them with our naked eyes, so we need to use pesticides to kill them. So some common pesticides are chemical which is used to kill the pest. So some common pesticides are malathion, BSC, and diacetone and EDT. So keep in mind if anyone is asking about the common pesticides, so you tell them. Now harvesting. Harvesting means the cutting of the crops. The cutting of the crops after it is mature is called harvesting. So harvesting means the cutting of the crops after it is mature. It is either done by manually by sickle, or by machine called harvester machine. Now the next point, second point is the storage. So before storage, we should make sure all the seeds are of the good quality and there is no moisture. Storage of the grain is the important task. If freshly harvested crops are stored without drying, they may get spoiled or attacked by the organisms, so losing their germination capacity. That's why before storing the grains, we should make sure whether the grains are dried or not, and all the seeds are of good quality. So food is also obtained from the animals, for which animals are rare. And now last point, crop preservation. The objective of the crop preservation is to retain crop quality during post harvest storage. Drying, canning, freezing, and are the some of the method of preservation. That's all.